Okay, in this tutorial, I want us to look at these two questions with reference to the previous tutorial where we looked at the equations that govern linear motion. Right. So we are saying a car, that's question one, a car starts from rest. A car starts from rest and is accelerated at the rate of 0.4 meters per second squared. Find the distance covered by the car in 20 seconds. So we said the first thing that you have to do is to collect the information that you have been given. Okay, so we know that the car is starting from rest, and if it's starting from rest, then we have got the starting velocity, which is the initial velocity. So we collect that information and say initial velocity is equal to 0 meters per second. Okay, a car starts from rest. So here we are given a clue that the initial velocity is 0. Then it is accelerated at the rate of 0.4 meters per second squared. So we know that acceleration is 0.4 meters per second squared we have been given. Then we are told to say find the distance. So we are finding S, find the distance covered by the car in 20 seconds. So they have also given us time. Time is 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay. So from the information that we have been given now, we have to look at the three equations that govern linear motion. Number one, we had V is equal to U plus AT. This is equation 1. Equation 2, we said U T plus half AT squared. And V squared is U squared plus 2AS. This is equation 3. And this is equation 2. Now, from the information that we have been given acceleration. Already here, I can't use equation 1. Why? Because it doesn't have distance that I'm looking for. So this equation is cancelled out. I can't use it. Right. What's the second thing? I'm looking for distance. These two equations have got distance. This one has got distance. It has got initial velocity that have been given. Okay? It has time have been given. It has acceleration have been given. It has got time. So this looks a good qualification. What about this? Final velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2AS. It has got distance that I'm looking for. It has got acceleration have been given. It has got initial velocity have been given, but it doesn't have final velocity. So I can't use this equation. Now, this is how you select the equation to use. Whatsoever and no matter how complex the question might be, if you go by this method, you are very sure that you are going to get to the right equation. So we have removed that equation. We have also removed that equation. So we can solve the question. S is equal to initial velocity is 0 multiplied by time, 20 seconds, plus half multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 20 squared. So you simply pick your calculator and solve out. So S is equal to, this is going to be 0. So it's going to be half multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 20 squared. AC is equal to, let me know what your answer is. So me, I have found that my distance is 80 meters. So don't forget the units for distance. Let's solve question number 2. So question number 2 is saying a scooter starts from rest. So we already know here to say there is an initial velocity of 0. A scooter starts from rest and moves with a constant acceleration of 1.2. So we have got acceleration of 1.2 meters per second squared, of course. This is meters per second. Okay. Then it's saying determine its velocity after it has covered the 60 meters. So we are looking for velocity after it has covered 60 meters. So we are going to write down the equations. S is equal to ut plus half at squared, equation 2. Then we have final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus 2as, equation 3. Okay, so looking at the information that we have been given, we are looking for velocity and we don't have time. So anything that has got time must be cancelled out. You see? So there's time here, I'll cancel it out. There's time here, I'll cancel it out. So the equation that I'm going to use is that one. That's how simply you solve these equations. Okay? So I'm looking for final velocity. So it will be final velocity is equal to initial velocity, it's 0 squared plus 2 times acceleration 1.2 times distance 60. So velocity is equal to, if you multiply this, it will be 160 multiplied by, so 2 times 1.2 times 60. That should give you 144. 144. And you take the square root on both sides. So velocity is equal to 12 meters per second. So that's how you solve linear motion. Always remember the 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. Get the information that you have been given in the question, see which equation you can use, and move on like that. See you in the next tutorial.